Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, so let's get started. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Today what I'm going to show you is one of my favorite recipes, so let's get started. Hi guys, I just wanted to give you an update on all the plants and trees in my front yard. You can see the pink azaleas and how nice these trees are coming in. Sago palm, and I weeded out in the front here. Crepe myrtle's coming in. These bushes or shrubs are doing good. You can see all my crepe myrtles in the yard blooming. I have azalea bushes over here. So far everything's looking good. I also wanted to show you an update on the fig trees in my yard. See how nice and big they're growing? We've been fertilizing them weekly, so they've been growing good. Look at how nice this one's coming in. All the loquats going down the side of my yard. Everything's looking good. I'll show you the pink magnolia. It's growing good. You can see the little pink right there. Cactus is coming in. Looking good. For some reason the bees get attracted to these. You can see how many are going to be growing. It's quite a bit. And another loquat. See how nice and tall that one's getting. All the crepe myrtles. Water fountain. I really like these pink azaleas. The grass is coming in really good. It's nice and green. Finally have nice weather. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching this little update of the plants and trees in my front yard. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.